Nursing image-based MCQs. Question 1. Instrument shown in the photograph is used in public health for A. Birth weight, B. Birth length, C. Mid-arm circumference, D. Abdominal circumference. Answer option B. Birth length. Question no though. Monitor shown in the photograph is a marker of A. Efficacy of vaccine, B. Expiry of vaccine, C. Cold chain maintenance, D. Number of doses in vaccine vial. Answer C. Cold chain maintenance. Question no 3. Suture shown in the photograph closes by the age of A. 6 months, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 6 years. Answer D. 6 years. Question no 4. Urine sample collection method shown in the photograph is preferred in A. Infants, B. Adolescents, C. Adults, D. Older persons. Answer A. Infants. Question no 5. Which of the following vaccines is given by the route shown in the photograph? A. DPT, B. Hepatitis B, C, MMR, D. BCG. Answer D. BCG. Question no 6. Identify the reflex shown in the picture. A. Tonic neck reflex, B. Moro reflex, C. Parachute reflex, D. Rooting reflex. Answer B. Moro reflex. Question no 7. Identify the therapy shown in the photograph. A. Phototherapy, B. Radiant warmer, C. Heater, D. IR therapy. Answer A. Phototherapy. Question no 8. Cross-section of structure shown in the photograph contains options A. 1 artery, 2 veins, B. 2 arteries, 2 veins, C. 2 arteries, 1 vein, D. 1 artery, 1 vein. Answer C. 2 arteries, 1 vein. Question no 9. Good attachment shown in the photograph includes all except options A. Wide open mouth, B. Most nipple and areola in mouth, C. Chin touching breast, D. Lower lip inverted. Answer C. Chin touching breast. Question no 10. Milestone shown in the photograph appears at age of options A. 3 months, B. 5 months, C. 7 months, D. 10 months. Answer C. 7 months. Question no 11. Milestone shown in the photograph appears at age of options A. 6 months, B. 9 months, C. 12 months, D. 18 months. Answer B. 9 months. Question no 12. Identify the apparatus used in pediatrics as shown in the photograph. Options A. Radiant warmer, B. Infantometer, C. Electronic weighing scale, D. Salter weighing scale. Answer C. Electronic weighing scale. Question no 13. Identify the plan launched by Government of India. Options A. Mission Indradhanush, B. Kangaroo Mother Care, C. BFHI, D. India Newborn Action Plan. Correct answer D. India Newborn Action Plan, ANAP. Question no 14. What can be monitored using the tape shown in the photograph? Options A. Nutritional status, B. Ascites, C. Skull growth, D. Height. Correct answer A. Nutritional status. Question no 15. Visible part of the iceberg above the water indicates A. Asymptomatic infection, B. Subclinical cases, C. Clinical cases, D. Carriers. Answer C. Clinical cases. Question no 16. Solar twitch pulse is being assessed in the given image. A. Radial pulse, B. Popliteal pulse, C. Femoral pulse, D. Brachial pulse. Answer colon C. Femoral pulse. Question no 17. What is the name of the procedure shown in the picture? A. Lumbar puncture, B. Bone marrow aspiration, C. Electromyography, D. Renal biopsy. Answer A. Lumbar puncture. Question no 18. What is the size of the cannula shown in the image? Option A. 20 gauze, B. 16 gauze, C. 18 gauze, D. 22 gauze. Answer colon D. 22 gauze. Question no 19. Identify the following instrument which is used in diagnostic procedures. A. True cut biopsy needle, B. lumbar puncture needle, C. punch biopsy, D. pleural tapping needle. Answer A. true cut biopsy needle. Question no Bs. Identify the instrument shown in the image. A. Valcellum, B. uterine sound, C. BP, handle D. Iris spatula. Answer B. uterine sound. Thank you for watching MS Nursing Hub. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Comment your score below and tell me, what topic should we cover next? See you in the next video.